Hello, my name is Brijraj Goyal. Me and my friend will explain the real-time video streaming code. There are two parts of this streaming app, server side and client side. First of all, I will explain the server side and then Sumit will explain the client side. So, in the server side, we will give the server port using system argument, and we will create RTP socket and then bind it with server port. Then we will start connecting with clients using this line of codes, and we will store clients information in the form of dictionary. After storing the client's information, we will run server. In server, we will set some variables which will be useful later on in our code. These are RTP methods. These are states. We will save current state as initial. Then we will save client information in a dictionary form. Then we will create a thread for a particular client, and we will call RTSP request function for processing the information. First of all, we will separate sequence number and request type. After that, we have written the code for different types of request. Like this. Here, processing setup, processing play, processing pause, and processing tear down. The state will be changed according to the given diagram, and if the current state is ready state, and then client will send request for a play, then the state will be changed from ready to play state. Now server will create a RTP socket for sending data from server to client, and the streaming protocol we will know that will be UDP. Server will respond to that request. If request type is pause, then we will stop running the thread. If request type is tear done, then we will stop running the thread and close the RTP socket. Now we will see the send RTP function, which will return data from server to client using RTP protocol. First of all, we will get data using data streaming class. Video streaming class. We will get the first or maybe the next frame using video stream class. Here we are using make RTP function. In make RTP function, we are creating a RTP packet which will contain header information and our payload. Address and port will be extracted from this function using this function, and the last is reply RTSP function, which will return different kind of error and request. Now in RTP packet, for making the RTP packet, we are using RTP packet class. In this code, there are different functions like decode, version, sequence number, timestamp, payload time, get payload, get packet. In RTP function, we are setting different header bits. The size of header is 12 bytes. In decode function, we will decode the packet sent by the server. Sequence number will be current sequence number. Get payload will return the payload and actual data, and get packet will return whole packet.